Next month's going to be really exciting because we're going to start talking about promotions. And next month is, let me see which one is first here, PR and unpaid promotions. And so, of course, that's something everyone likes because no one wants to spend money if they don't have to. So we're going to talk about that next month. Now we're going to dig into the planning a little bit here. And if anyone hops in late, we will just pause things and keep on going. But looking at the planning, the first thing that we are going to do, and let me see if I can share my screen with you. Let's see if it'll play nice. Okay, let's see. I am going to try to share the quarterly planning sheets that I got. Okay, it looks like you guys should be able to see this now. So not only is this the end of June, but it's the end of a quarter and it's the end of the first half of this year. And so we really want to take a little bit of time to look back, see where we're at compared to our goals for the year and the quarter, right, and the month, and then see where we want to go to end the year successfully. So looking down here, I have provided these for you. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a few minutes and I am going to put 10 minutes on the clock here. I want you to go through and look at these questions for your quarterly review. What were your winnings and achievements? What worked? What didn't work? What kind of lessons did you learn? And what kind of improvements do you want to make for the next quarter? And so the next quarter sheet is giving you room to write some of those things down. What types of projects do you need to focus on? Do you have any specific milestones you want to reach? Any concerns you have, and what your main goals are? So again, we're going to take a look at these things first. So we're going to look at the quarterly review and the quarterly preview. So if you're watching the replay, I want you to pause the replay here. And I want you to fill these things out or put them in a notebook. And then you'll be able to, take your notes there and then go back and see what you're thinking that you want to take a look at. And then in that time also, go ahead and get your monthly planning sheets ready. I'm going to switch tabs here, and then we're going to talk about that in just a moment.